G'day trendsetters, here we are. The early morning for stage 5 kicks off the final stage of the 2022 Oregon Trail Gravel Grinder here in La Pine, Oregon. It's time to get some grub, coffee and so on. Veggie option. Riders are packing their totes for transportation to the next stage. This could be the raddest tote set of all.
And I have two, not one.
See, she's got her crap together, people.
Because I had to pack all my makeup.
These lads are getting a serious workout moving these totes around the place. Dragging severe ass after yesterday's stage, but it is the final stage. I will see it through to the finishing Sisters, Oregon. Garmin suggested workout for today is a rest day. Ha ha ha, that's not happening.
Respect for all of you as people, and then also...
Right folks, kicking off stage 5, the final stage of the Oregon Trail Gravel Grinder. Look at these studs and studettes here. That's Sarah from Giant Liv. She's one of many who are going to drop me like a bad habit today. We're going to finish, no walking faries. Off we go. Rolling out of La Pine neutral, got a few miles before the action begins. Closest I've been to the front of the front bunch in the Pioneers since the race started, only because we're on flatter roads for quite a while. I think we are officially starting now, something like that. Off we go. Sandy, dusty start already to a very long day. Yeah. Sand roads at the start of today's ride. The bunch is already shattered to pieces, and I'm, you know, need to back somewhere. I'm in no person's land. Well, there's a bloke behind me. Looks like he's chasing furiously. He might catch me soon. I ride my own tempo. Just want to finish this bugger today, being the final stage. Thanks, dude. Time for a change of scenery. Some red lava rock. Still pretty loose and sandy beneath one's tires. This is climb number, now 3 of 9 I think, according to the Garmin, but it's really loose, difficult to get traction. So you have to get creative trying to find a line. Welcome trendsetters to aid station number 1. Yeah, we're chucking in some hydration drink tabs. It's already hot as, not Hades, but pretty warm. Look at this, you get to see the bubbling action live on camera. Show it all here. All right, mate. Hey, thanks for being out here, dude.
You're welcome.
Some of my fellow riders. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Right there, there's the aid station, and there is the climb starting in 79 meters. How cheeky is that? 11.8 k's to the top. Observations thus far, not super steep yet. It's a very bumpy climb though. Ahead of me is part of the laughing bunch. The grovelling up this particular climb is all worthwhile when you're greeted with a view like you see in front of the camera. I'm just thinking to myself, where else are you going to find a crazy stage race adventure ride like this in the United States? This is probably the best gravel ride going. Even if it is hard as f***. 5Ks to go and it's time for my planned drink stop. Girlfriend gave me a can of the Kickstart. Giddy up. Hey folks, it's Dean. You doing a drink, mate? Absolutely. Good man. Well, you can't see the view, but you look, wind the video back about 20 seconds, you can check out the view. Check out Dean's bikes, folks. That machine is meant for business. Okay, so I'm riding 43 Penaresa Gravel King. What's your name, mate?
Chris.
Chris behind me is riding 35s.
Yeah, 35 I think what they are right now.
He's a bit under-tired.
Just a little bit, in the sand.
Half a K to the top. Giddy up. All right, boys. Hey folks, it's a mate of mine. His name's Shrek.
Shrekski.
Shrekski.com. He's a bit of a legend, I gotta tell you.
Not a legend. Retire early and live large.
100%, yes. Good man. Thanks, dude. Whoa. Spicy. Don't try this one-handed. Right roll, gotta climb. Bugger. Section of the course is flowing real nice. Lots of rollies. Loving these high-speed pedaling sections. I have to say, I love that sandy descent. These big tyres and decent amount of experience made a difference. Lava rock descending. On the pavement for a little while in a little climb. Number 7 of 9 according to the Garmonio. About 50 miles, 80 k's into the course. Aid station number 2 is coming up soon. Welcome to historic Skyliners neighborhood. Aid station number 2. Oh, this couldn't have come soon enough. These boys had the elixir of life here, Coke. All right, lads, enjoy.
Best of luck.
Good luck, mate. Leaving aid station number 2. Let's get cracking. We have a mongrel of a climb coming up. It's a bastard, a mofo even. That looks tasty down there. 45k still to ride. There's 2 climbs coming up. I believe the timing stops at the summit of the Mac Daddy climb, which is about 7 miles in length. So it's pretty hot right now. Open skies. We're on to the climb. 13.3k's to the top. Look at those red grades. This is going to be a mongrel. Starts getting very steep just ahead. Get the indignity of walking for a moment or two. Sweat in my bloody eyes. This climb is a, what's the word? Well, you fill in the blanks. .5 kilometers to the top. but the views are worth it. The climate's far from over, just a little bit of descending here. 7 k's to the summit. Just over 5 k's to go. Just cruising along, and I'm taking advantage of the shade on offer here. It is making a difference. It's pretty open here, as you can probably tell. The event is so awesome. That was one of the medic guys just checking on me as I cruise along here. Where else do you see that, right? That water looks so inviting. We're into snow country. Here's a fellow rider. He's pretty hammered like I am. Stretching our legs and backs. The definition of a rutted road right here. All right, 150 meters from the summit, supposedly. A wee bit of sludge here to negotiate. I just ran into a bloke in a 4-wheel drive vehicle a moment ago, and he was telling me it's pretty dodgy down here. He did a U-turn, so I might be riding with both hands on the handlebars. We'll see. Tiptoe down the mountain here. Pardon the shaky footage. How awesome is this? Doing a bit of hiker bike in the snow here. And how bizarre is this? I'm walking in snow and they've got a bloody mosquito chasing me. Where are you ever going to see that happen? But here in Oregon, during the summertime, the early summertime anyway. My poor bloody bike is covered in mud, dirt, other bollocks and snow and ice. Now that is what I'm talking about, trendsetters. 5 k's to the finish, you bloody ripper. Maybe you can see that. There's a climb. 1 climb remaining. And it's about 1 kilometer in length. 200 meters to the top. The final kilometer of the 2022 Oregon Trail Gravel Grinder. The Pioneer Edition. Now I know I finished near the back somewhere, but I finished. Well, in a minute I will. Well, we're doing parade pace here to the finish line, because look at the views beyond the trees here. And there it is, the finish line. Well, almost crashed. The finish line, giddy up. Yes. All right. Ah, yeah. Thank you, folks. Thank you. I rode a lot of kilometers this bloody camera in one hand. I am done with it. This is the nectar of the gods. Well done, mate. Congratulations, mate.
Thanks.
Great job. You guys saw that goofy wagon around?
There you go, folks. Look at that lovely view. That's our reward. Now we've got a long downhill back into Sisters. All right, here we are in the Sisters, Oregon. Okay, that's it, I'm done. And there is my trusty steed, the T-Lab X 3.22 gravel bike. You can check out a review of that bike in the description below. The bike was flawless during the 2022 Oregon Trail Gravel Grinder, the Pioneer Edition. All right, trendsetters, that wraps it up. The Oregon Trail Gravel Grinder. It is, in my opinion, the best gravel race and the most challenging, scenic, and best for organised gravel race. That's Chad, he's the promoter, absolute legend. So do yourself a favour, sign up, 2023 come to this race. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the Gravel Cyclist YouTube channel for ride experience videos such as this. No bull gravel bike reviews, other product reviews, and general madness. As all of it is released to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.